lost little puppy there, and one of the Sephora workers grabbed me and said, "You must need some help."
From the low end. What did we get you for my birthday? What did we do? I'm gonna go take some pictures and be worse.
I went into Sephora looking like a lost little puppy there, and one of the Sephora workers grabbed me and said, "You must need some help." And she put me on to the Charlotte Tilbury line, and when I say it's definitely some nice, like that's definitely a nice makeup brand, maybe top of the line, I don't know, because I'm a newbie at makeup, but I told her I wanted it to be something basic, something simple that I can remember by myself to do. So she hooked me up with the Hollywood Flawless filter, and I got the shade 5.5 tan. Now, did your girl actually want to go in there and ball outrageous? No, I didn't. Hold on. I can't even get it back open. Like, look how pretty that is. The next step was the bronzer, and she suggested the Hollywood Contour one and the medium deep. And I used them today. I have some on from earlier. For the blush slash highlight, I have the Swish and Glow blusher, and I got it in the Pillow Talk Intense shade, because I think there's a lighter Pillow Talk, and she got me the intense one. I guess it's a little bit warmer. And it looks like this. So pretty. Like, just love this, okay? I don't know how she did it, how she got me. I think I'm a sucker anyway, so. My brows, she suggested the Legendary Brows in the shade Dark Brown. So this. And to finish off the little routine, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So basically, I have me a little simple everyday makeup look by just using these 5 things. Just using these and some lip gloss, and there you have it. And then because I bought all that Charlotte Tilbury stuff, I was able to get 3 free products that day, which was the Matte Revolution, what is this? Modern Matte Lipstick. And I want to say she said it was a red. Oh, that is red. You see that? I'm scared. I don't even know how to. Oh, wow. That's a bright red. Look at that. A red lipstick. I thought she was going to give me a berry. Well, the guy gave it to me, but look at that. But it's cute. It has a bright red. And then I got the Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. This stuff like looks like fancy stuff that I got going on here. I don't know where this cream goes. Was this eye cream too? I need to look that up. I know one of these was like a. Okay, so this one is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. And so those were the goodies I got that were from the Charlotte Tilbury line. And then I got, because you know I love me some Fenty. I got me another lip gloss. Like maybe I have an addiction. I don't know. I have like 60 million lip glosses, but I really wanted the Fenty, what is this one? Gloss Bomb Cream in the color Fruit Snacks. Let me see. Mhm. So, yeah, I wanted this, and I think this would be so cute, matched with the new makeup. So those are my little birthday gifts. And then on my actual birthday, I know I rushed out of here. I don't even think I showed you guys my hair for the event when I went to the 54th Thrones event, which I had so much fun on my birthday. I'm going to insert some clips from the actual event. This is my first brand event, and it was super fun. And I love that I got to connect with other content creators that just understand and get the vibes, okay? They just want to take your picture. Everybody has lighting set up, but I want to show you guys what I got in my goodie bag from the event. I also got a cake, which I'll insert a clip when it was pretty, but I dropped it on the way to the Uber. Maybe I had too many drinks. But this was my little bag from 54 Thrones. So thank you so much, Christina. So got some flowers. And in our goodie bag, we got the Eyebrow Beauty, the Mist Sprayer, which I feel like I need a new one. And then we did get a little cookie with the 54 Thrones Cloud. And then from LYS Beauty, we got the Lash Confidence Mascara in the shade Influential, which was black. So thank you for that. And then from Range Beauty, we got the Body Glow. Ooh, hold on. I like a good body glow. Oh, let me see if I can open this. Ooh, look at that. Got some from Grigio, the Don't Despair Deep Conditioning Mask. And also another thing from Eyebrow Beauty was Melonberry Hair Milk. And another Eyebrow Beauty Biomint Protect and Shine Oil. These were our little drink tickets. And some of the girls were so sweet to give me their tickets for my birthday. So shout out to y'all. And then this was from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Type Facial. Okay, let me see what it looks like. Oh. And see, I'm just now getting into skincare, so this like stuff is like new and fascinating to me. So yeah, we're gonna try that out. And oh, I got something else. I ended up getting two other mascaras from LYS. Maybe somebody accidentally put that in there. And then I got a makeup brush. And then last but not least, some cookies by Partake. So from the stars of the show, this was actually the star. This was the new 54 Thrones Cloud Rapid Hydration Barrier Repair Cream in the scent Kenya Hibiscus and Moroccan Rose. This is what she is launching. This is what she. Ooh, I wish I would have got another one. But this is what she is launching this week in Sephora. And then also we got the matching body butter as well. And also got a little, I think this is a hand mitt from 54 Thrones, the polish bar. It's the exfoliating hibiscus soap bar. Okay. And also got a topicals brightening and clearing eye mask as well. Yeah, that's what I got all in my goodie bags. Hopefully I can take all this stuff back with me. Was from the event. These were the partners from the event. And this was so cute. They had a photo booth. And this was me and Christina. She is super tall. And she had to stoop to my level, I guess.